Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Honda YouTube channel. My name's Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this late 2018 Honda Jazz Sport. This one was registered at the end of October 2018, so it's on a 68 plate. That means it's just turned at 6 years old. It's a lovely vehicle. This one's finished in the white orchid pearl paintwork. Its wheels will be refurbished before you do take it, and there's a little bits of cosmetic bits and bobs that need sorted on it, but those will be done before you do take it. As you can see to the front of the car, you've got the LED daytime running lights, you've got full LED headlights as well, you've got the front fogs as well, front and rear parking sensors, that red strip down there for the sporty look. Not only does it look sporty, it is also more powerful than a normal Jazz, as it's got the 1.5 engine, naturally aspirated with 129 brake horsepower. So for a small car like this, 129 is really good, means it's quite nippy. This one has got the CVT automatic transmission as well, with the 7 simulated gears. I'll take you inside and show you that now. You can see there it's covered 53,926 miles. It's been very well looked after and it's had one owner from new, which is excellent to see. Leather wrapped steering wheel with the multifunction with your cruise control and speed limiter. You do have the red stitching on there as well, which looks great. You've got your central infotainment screen with phone connectivity for Bluetooth and DAB radio, air conditioning, and then your automatic CVT transmission. This is a really great one. It's nice and smooth, but you do also have the simulated gears which you can change through with the paddles there. So if you want a little bit more control, maybe you're going down a steep hill, you want to go down a gear or two, you can do that. You want to knock it up, you can do that, or you can of course just let the car do what it wants, as it is automatic. You can treat it as such, or whenever you need to or want a bit more control, you have the means to do that, which is great. You can see the seats are the black cloth with the red elements in there, stitching, etc. Same in the rear, and you do have 2 sets of i-VTEC points there as well, which is excellent. You still have a nice light headlining, so it's lovely and bright in here. I'll just show you the service history now. You've got everything in the original wallet, which is excellent to see. And as I say, it's been looked after with us its whole life. Its first service with us in 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, and it was last done on the 16th of October 2023 at 44,769 miles. So of course you will service it before you do take it. That'll give it a full Kendal Honda service history, which is excellent. It will of course go through the Honda workshop as well for all of its multi-point inspection, so anything that needs sorting will be done before you do take it. Multi-point thorough inspection. This car will also come with 12 months warranty and roadside assistance under the Honda approved package as well, which is great peace of mind. And nice that you've got some extra features like your parking sensors, etc., and of course the classics in the Jazz like the magic seats, which I'll show you now. So one of the tricks that the magic seats has is that they flip up in the cinema style. That gives you space from floor to ceiling for tall items such as plants, for example. Really great to have. You can see that just clicks in, so all the way across. You can even put bikes this way, which is really handy to have that. It's a great space, and the nice boxy shape means that you can fit a lot in there. Also, they do fold completely flat. I'll show you that now on this side so you'll be able to see better. So the base actually goes into the footwell, like so, giving you that completely flat low base. It's excellent for large bulky items or appliances. Going to the tip, the Jazz is great as well. You'll fit a lot in there, more than you would expect. They do also recline slightly the back seats, so you can have them more upright like so, or you can have them slightly tilted back like so as well. So plenty of functionality there. I'll just show you the boot quickly as well. So you do have your tyre inflation kit in there, and if you wanted to retrofit a space saver spare wheel, you could do. You just need to take this polystyrene insert out and pop one in there, so that's great. All in all then, it is a lovely Jazz Sport. We don't get a whole lot of these in, and whenever we do, they go very quickly. This is a lovely example in the white orchid pearl paintwork as well. Stands out on the road and just a bit more sporty and different than a normal Jazz. Still has that excellent practicality though, reliability, etc., which is excellent. If you do have any questions about this Jazz, please don't hesitate to contact us. We're very happy to help. We're based on the Kendal Motor Village at the Honda dealership, of course, but we do have an Automart dealership on site where we sell all different makes and models of used vehicle. So even if you don't have a Honda to part exchange, it's absolutely fine. We'll have a look into whatever car it is you've got and get you the best price you possibly can against this Jazz Sport. Thank you for watching. We look forward to hearing from you very shortly.